A guy.
Bachelorette.
Bachelorette. Bachelorette. Not even the correct pronunciation.
Bachelorette.
Hi guys. So we are here today to do a mukbang. He's my friend Anil. He's my cousin Yogesh. We are going to do a mukbang. This is the Korean ramen. It's the veg version of it, super spicy. And I have questions prepared. I have 20 questions in English for English language, some quiz sort of a thing. So let's see how many we'll be able to ask and how many they will give the answers correctly. The deal is they will have to answer the questions correctly. The one who answers the maximum questions correctly and also finishes this on the plate, either finishes this entirely or complete or the maximum, but we have to wait till everyone finishes it so that we can get to know, okay, who is the winner. And after we finish, we can have this. We have this to cool down the heat, and also jalebi. And to spice up the thing a little, I have also added a little bit of dale paste. This is one of the spiciest spice that you get in the world, that we get here in Darjeeling and Sikkim. So it is that paste. I've added that as well to make things little spicy. So, and the winner will get 500 rupees. So guess who is going to win? Ani, who your bet is on? Who do you think will win?
Me?
Okay. Yogesh, who do you think?
Me.
Even I think Yogesh will win because he can eat, but I don't know how much he can eat the spicy stuff. So let us keep this here. Okay, in between, we cannot drink water, we cannot eat the egg, and we cannot eat the sweets. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's start then. Guys, mix it properly first, okay? Okay, let me ask you the first question. What does knucklehead mean?
Knucklehead.
Stubborn?
Stubborn, I guess.
Number-
Oh yeah, and if they cannot answer the question, oh my god. If they cannot answer the question, then I will get that point. Oh my god, what is knucklehead? I'm asking you one last time.
The dumb.
Yes, dumb, Yogesh.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, next question.
Spicy.
You can eat slowly, guys, and don't drop. You cannot drop, you have to eat that also.
Okay.
Second question. You guys are not feeling the heat? What does break a leg mean?
Breaker?
Break a leg. Go break a leg.
Go break a leg. It means to tease someone.
Anil, what does break a leg mean? यार तुम लोगों को मिर्ची नहीं लग रहा?
So what is the answer? To tease someone.
What is the answer?
I don't know.
To break a leg means good luck.
Oh.
I'm getting this point. Give me another word for very clean. Very clean.
Tidy. Neat. Neat.
It's not a competition of supporting me. It's a competition of answering the correct one. Okay, Yogesh has got 2 correct answers. Anil, you have to answer also, not just finishing it. धीरे धीरे खाओ ना. 20 questions करना है. धीरे धीरे खाओ ना अन्ने. A single man is called what?
Individual?
A single man is called what?
Bachelor.
Individual. I think I need to add some more spice in Anil's food.
You?
Because you're eating fast, but you're not answering. What is the difference between than, THAN, and then, THEN?
That is better than. It's a comparison basically.
Okay, and then?
Then is afterwards.
Yes, correct. Thank God. One correct answer, Mr. Anil Kumar Sharma. तुम दोनों को मिर्ची नहीं लग रहा है?
It's spicy.
Okay.
Hot.
Fill in the blanks.
Okay.
Fill in the blanks. He is the man dash pushed me. Who pushed me? That pushed me.
He's the man who pushed me.
He's the man who pushed me.
Who pushed me?
He's the man who pushed me.
Okay, correct. Yogesh gave the answer first.
Who
So
I said?
he
I
said
only-
before you.
Ah.
He said before you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's hold on. The spice is getting up.
Okay, listen to this carefully.
Okay.
Which sentence is grammatically correct? Grammatically correct. I'm not asking which sentence is true, but which sentence is
Grammatically correct.
grammatically correct. I was born in March. I was born on 3rd
On
March.
3rd March.
Yogesh,
In March.
both of you are wrong. Both is correct.
Oh, this is a trick question.
Okay. Next question. मेरे से नहीं कहा जाएगा ये कैसे कहा रहा है Okay, listen to this carefully. Give me a shortest sentence in English language. Give me a shortest sentence in English
The wall.
language. Anil,
The wall.
Anil, it has to make sense. Sentence.
I love you.
I ate.
No, there is a shorter sentence than I love you also.
He ran.
Yeah.
He ran.
Yeah, he has. Could be.
Could be,
Yes.
but it is I am.
Okay.
I am. Okay, I get this point. Next question.
This is a spicy pot I'm eating now.
Correct this sentence. Is this sentence correct or not?
Okay.
Sorry. And you have to, if it is correct, then okay. If it is not correct,
You have to correct it.
you have to correct it.
Okay.
Please reply back to my message.
Please reply to my message.
Correct. 2 questions. Okay. Should I put some more in your plate, Anil and Yogesh?
No.
Okay. Next question. You cannot eat the egg, huh?
I'll eat now. Meanwhile.
No. Choose the correct sentence. I'm standing at the crossroads. I'm standing in correct. Correct. Okay. 4-3-3. There's a tie between you and me, Anil.
I'm leading with 4.
You cannot eat the egg right now, Yogi. We all have to finish, then only you can eat the egg.
Finish.
Okay. What does the sentence mean? I'm absolutely parched.
Parched.
I'm exhausted.
No.
Tired.
No.
No idea. Pass.
You. I am thirsty. I'm very thirsty.
Oh.
Right now we are thirsty now.
Okay, next question.
Water, man.
Next question. When is, listen to this very carefully, when is THE the pronounced as THEED?
AIOU.
What AIOU?
Roman language.
In Roman language, what is AI? You said it right, so little explain it.
Why? I said it right. You said we can use it.
But explain it, no.
No idea.
Vowels.
Okay, what vowels?
AIOU.
But क्या vowels का क्या? AEIOU, but vowels का क्या?
So when we have vowels, we have to use the.
When the word starts with vowel, then
We have to use.
THE.
Will be pronounced as the.
Correct.
Not as the.
Okay, tie. I'm not eating.
Eat.
Okay. Fill in the blanks. Listen carefully.
Can we-
Fill in the blanks. I want to be dash engineer.
I want to buy.
Wait, I've not finished.
Huh?
When I grow up, but my father wants me to be dash doctor.
I want to be an
a.
engineer.
And a. And an O.
Anna. He said Anna. Okay.
An engineer and a doctor.
Very good. Next question.
I can have the mukbang challenge.
I cannot. Wait, the questions are still there. Okay.
You have to eat her. No?
I can't eat her.
Yes, that's the show. Yes. Who will eat that?
Yeah. What? Who will eat mine? Distribute equally. What is the correct pronunciation of Wednesday?
Wednesday.
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 Right, Anil. Wednesday. It's not Wednesday, it's Wednesday.
Wednesday. Not Wednesday.
Okay.
Okay. We have 5 questions left. What do you call a man whose wife has died?
Divorcee.
No, not divorce. Bachelor only.
No. Divorcee is when you get divorced.
Yeah.
Died. Dead.
A woman is called widow.
Yes. What is
What
a
a man-
man called? Woman is called widow. You're correct. What is a man called?
No,
Widower.
not
Huh?
widow.
Kya?
Something word.
Widower.
Widower. Yes.
Widower, I think it's called.
Yes. Correct.
Widower.
Widower. Yes. Okay.
It's called widower. Next.
यार मेरे से नहीं खाया जा रहे. Next question. Okay. Listen to this carefully. English is the language of air. True or false, and why? English is called the language of air, A-I-R, air.
Air.
True or false, why?
No idea.
I don't know.
At least try. At least guess.
Air.
Air.
True.
Okay.
Because there is no such definition as such. The words you can add it in the dictionary, as in. I think so. That's the air.
I have no
There's
idea.
nothing.
Okay, one part is true. It is true. It is a language of air because all the pilots who fly have to know English.
Okay.
Oh.
So nobody gets this. I get this.
I can.
Okay, one more question. मेरे से नहीं खाया जा रहा. This Anil should know. Who is a killjoy?
The one who disrupts and disrupt the enjoyment, or breaks the plan. If,
Anil?
Somebody who creates nuisance. Oh.
Somebody who disrupts the plan. Somebody who... Yeah, you're right.
yay!
I thought you would know this. Okay. What does bite the bullet mean?
To take it on myself, to take the things on yourself,
Close but not quite right.
take
Anil?
responsibility and be accountable, like that thing.
No.
Bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet.
And if you have
Go
to face,
forward and do
you have,
it.
you have to face the heat.
Yes, go forward and do
You have to
what?
face-
Do it.
You have to
Face the
face
challenge.
kind of like
But what challenge?
Action. Like whatever is in front of you, you got to do it.
in the war.
Oh, I don't know whether to give you or not. So, bite the bullet means to whatever you've been avoiding, what you don't like doing, to go ahead and do it.
I think we can keep it as a nullified one.
No, I will get no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have.
I have 6.
He also has 6. Okay, now 2 questions. Let's see. Give me 3 words to be used instead of but.
But
B-U-T but.
However,
instead,
Okay.
however,
You said however instead. Quick. He said instead, so you cannot say instead. He said however.
since,
no.
No.
In place of,
Uh-huh.
alternately,
Alternately.
in other words,
In other words. Correct.
because we use this language in our meals.
Yeah. Corporate world. Last, and he's got 7 and you've got 6. If it's a tie, you two can share the money.
Okay.
Oh shit. A single woman is called A single woman who is not married is called.
Individual.
No, not
What?
individual.
Everything is individual for you.
Single woman is called.
It's a. I have heard this word, but I'm not thinking right now.
Any hint? Any hint?
It's a bachelor for guy. I know, but
Bachelor for guy.
Bachelorette.
no,
Bachelorette. Bachelorette. Not even the correct pronunciation.
Bachelorette.
Bachelorette.
no. It's
Hey, I
kind
think
of.
this is the word.
It's kind
I think
of.
this is the word.
It's a very tricky word.
Okay, I'll give you a hint.
Yeah.
It starts with S.
Single.
No, not single.
Single.
No, not single. Not single. How many letters?
Single. Single.
8 letter, I think.
No idea. Signature, something like that. I don't know.
The last word is, the last alphabet of that word is R.
R.
Spinster.
Oh, I told you it's a weird word. No, I never heard it.
Okay, how many have you got? You've got 7.
Ah.
1,
It's
2,
a tie
3,
between-
4, 5, 6, 7. It's a tie between me. How many did you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
But
Close.
I think I win because it's a mukbang. Eh.
Yeah, he was the first one to finish.
Let's
I
have
think
the eggs.
we can have the egg now. मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा. I'm not, guys. I'm not finishing this. I don't know how this guy's ate.
And the sauce.
Oh my god.
No.
I see. What did you add that dalle also?
I added in all 3 of us.
Abhi close by, na?
उदय चा. Okay. The winner gets 500 rupees.
Next time. Next time.
It's all about the money.
There is always a next time.
And I got extra food also now.
And since I borrowed the 500 rupees from Yogesh,
No.
since he won it, he's not getting it back now.
Actually, I allowed them to win because he's younger to me and she's elder to me. So that's why,
That means,
it's respect for her
and love for him. Yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
I, chose not to win this game. That's the reason.
Yeah. Right.
मुझे 500 मिलेगा ना?
नहीं मिलेगा तो जीत लिया अब ले लो तुम 500 ये तो बोला मैंने अगर ये जीतता तो मैं फिर भी तुझे देता
चल मैं जीत गया ठीक है क्या बन रहा था मिल गया तेरे पास हेलो
Very good. You won the game. You are the man.
नहीं दूंगा मैं बेचारे को
और कैपेसिटी है मेरी
Okay guys, thank you so much for being here. Bye.
Bye.
If you liked the video, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and we
hit
will
the-
see you
and
next
hit the
time.
bell icon also.
Yeah, yes, hit the bell icon also. Bye.
Bye bye.